I have $876 in total balance, $435 cash out already, and $1,300 all-time earning on this website. By the end of this video, you will know how to make money like this. This method is 100% effective and can make you so much money without doing any hard work. This strategy works worldwide, and this is a 100% free method. You don't need to write anything and you don't need to sell anything. This method is super straightforward. And in this video, I am going to show you all the steps that I am doing that are helping me to earn this much amount of money without doing any work by myself. So first thing first, you need to go to this website called mindsumo.com, and before showing anything, I am going to show you my earnings on this website. As you can see, I have $876.92 total balance, $435.65 cashed out already, and $1,300 all-time earnings without any work, because all the work is done by a free software that I am going to show you in this video. So keep watching the video because you are about to be blown away. So this is how much MindSumo pay you just to complete each offer, and the offers range from anywhere between a few $100 to tens of thousands of dollars. Now when you get the homepage of this website, you're going to see a lot of famous companies use this website to solve their problems and to make good products. And these companies can pay you more than $1,000 for every answer you write on this website. But don't worry, you don't have to write anything and you don't have to have any knowledge about this topic. You just need to choose any question you like and can make money without doing anything. Let me show you how. So this is my account, but let me show you how to do this in a brand new account. And now watch carefully because the sign up process is quite tricky. So just click on log in or sign up here to fill in all the basic information about yourself. But for creativity skills, technical skills, and marketing skills, select high proficiency. And don't check the first three options, check the last three options and click login. So now our first step is done. Now you need to click on this button, I am a problem solver. From there, it's going to take you to this page. Just scroll down and click View Current Challenges. Here you can choose any question. Let me pick this one. It's going to pay me $1,600. Now don't worry, you don't have to write anything. I am going to show you where you can get 100% plagiarism-free unique content that can get you approved and make money like me. So for that, come to this website, writecream.com. This is a free AI content writing software that will write the whole article for you. So just come to this website. Sign up, and this is going to be your dashboard. As you can see, there are a lot of options that you can choose, but for this specific thing, choose this option, Article Writer. And just copy this from MindSumo and paste it into the topic box, and click Generate Ideas. As you can see, within a few seconds, it generates 5 ideas for us. So after that, click Next Step. So as you can see, it generates 5 intros for us in just a few seconds, and every intro looks good, but I choose number 2. After that, click Next Step. Now it is going to generate an outline for us. Just click here. As you can see, again, 5 outlines. So let me choose the 4th one and click Next Step, and then click Write the Article. And that's it. As you can see, within a minute, this software generates plagiarism-free content for us. Now just copy it and paste it into Google Docs. And then you can just submit it into MindSumo and make a lot of money. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.